Okay, I think this is probably the toughest question on the review sheet, so I want to try to walk you through it. It says candies falling off a conveyor belt onto a conical pile at a rate of 15, that should say cubic feet per minute. So that tells me that dV over dt is equal to 15. I know since it's cubic feet, it's talking about volume, and per minute tells me it's talking about a rate. Also, the fact it says rate. It also says the diameter of the base of the cone is approximately 3 times the height. So the diameter is equal to 3 times the height. Now it says when the height is 20 feet, so we have h equals 20, what is the rate at which the height is increasing? So we're looking for the rate of the height, we're looking for dh over dt. Now we're given the equation. It's v equals pi over 3 r, I should say squared, sorry, had some issues on the copy and paste over. And to take the derivative of that, we're going to have to do the product rule. So I'm going to just write this out for you just now, but we basically split it into pi over 3r squared and h. So we do the derivative of the first piece, which would be 2 pi over 3 r dr dt times h, plus the first piece, pi over 3r squared, times the derivative of the second piece, which would be dh over dt. Now let's look at what we have versus what we need. Okay, we already have dv dt, we know that's 15. We already have the height, and we know we're trying to find dh dt, so it's okay that isn't there yet. So as you look, we have some pieces missing. We don't have the radius, and we don't have the radius squared. That's where this piece of information is going to come into play.